Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit the buttons on your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. First, allow me to change my style because this style is not very visually accessible, so let me change it back to this so that I can see the letters and the buttons and everything more clearly. And once I've done that, let's go ahead and change our buttons. For example, let's take this button here as an example. To change it, you need to first go into the edit page. If you click on it through your overview, it's just going to treat it as a normal button. But now, once we're in the edit page, we can go ahead and change it. You can click on that button, and as you can see, you can click here to edit it. And here you can change the content, and you can change the design. You can change it to either primary button, secondary button, or tertiary button. And you can also edit the button styles if you so choose, like so. And as you can see, you can choose whichever you would like. Primary can be whatever you want. You just need to set up the outline, the shape, and everything. So let me change the shape to sort of an oval. So let's go ahead and do that, or rather to the pill, and click apply to all button types. And as you can see, now that changed the look of our buttons. What we can also do, once we close this style page here, I'll just save the changes as of now. Click on the button again. You can click here to edit the link the button takes you to. You can also pin this button and copy it or duplicate it if you so choose. And you can again change the style through this quick bar right over here. And yeah, if you want to add more buttons, you can very easily do that by clicking on the section you want to add it to. Click add block and then select button, and it's going to add a new button which you then need to put into its place, and then you can edit it alongside the other buttons as you so choose. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.